A woman's body goes through big changes in these 9 months of pregnancy. As a result, it's important to work on building strength to maintain good structural integrity and a healthy pelvic floor. Let us explore simple yoga asanas to keep mommy and baby strong and fit. Come into a standing position with your feet together. Stay close to the wall and keep a yoga block handy. Partially lean into the wall with the left side of your hip. Place the block on the floor a couple of inches away from your left foot. Bend your knees and place the left palm on the block. Slowly begin to raise the right leg up and keep the right palm on the waist. Keep your right foot flexed. You are to balance on one leg and one hand, while partially being supported by the wall. Hold the pose for 5 to 8 breaths. Release and repeat on the other leg. This pose not only strengthens the legs but also works on building mental strength, thereby improving focus, stability, and concentration. It also stretches, opens the hips and hamstrings while engaging the glute muscles effectively. Come into a standing position with your feet hip width apart. Start to squat down all the way. You can use your hands for support to balance yourself into the pose. Once comfortable, bring palms joining to chest and use your elbows to push the knees out. Allow your spine to be lifted and avoid rounding the chest. If your feet are not resting flat on the ground, then place the yoga blocks under the heels for support. Close your eyes and hold this pose for 8 to 10 breaths. Slowly stand up to release and repeat once again. This asana helps to open up the hips and at the same time strengthens the lower body. It helps to ease bloating and constipation and greatly strengthens the muscles of the pelvic floor for easy labor. Begin in a standing position and open your feet parallel to each other up to 4 feet apart. Turn your right foot open to the side, lift your arms to shoulder height and bend your right knee into a lunge. Slowly slide your left palm on the leg while you raise your right hand upwards. Allow your upper body to move in for a reverse side stretch. Gaze to your right palm and continue breathing normally while in the pose. Hold for a minimum of 5 to 8 breaths. Release and repeat on the left side. This pose strengthens the legs and the back, stretches the arms, hips, inner thighs and groin. It also helps to stretch the sides of the body, which help in relieving lower back pain. It also engages the muscles in the pelvic floor, leading to a healthier labor. Start in a standing position and spread your legs wide up to 4 feet. Turn your feet facing outward and bend your knees to check that your distance is wide enough for your knees to fall in line with your ankle. Make sure that your knees bend in the direction of your toes and not inward. Take your palms in a namaste. Continue breathing normally. Try and keep the back lifted and avoid overarching in the lower back. Hold the pose for 8 to 10 breaths. Repeat twice more. This is a powerful pose which helps to strengthen the legs and the muscles of the pelvic floor, along with the knees and the ankles. It also stretches open the inner thighs and groin. This will help you create a better understanding of your changing body and develop a connect with your growing baby. Hope this prepares you for a safe and smooth delivery, though always remember to not push yourself too much and respect your body's limits. Avoid practicing in the first trimester and do consult your doctor before starting any physical activity. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.